Welcome to Couch Cocktails. I'm Jenny. Today we will be making a delightfully refreshing limeade. You can make a lemonade if you prefer using some fresh lemon juice, but we're going with fresh lime today. This is really nice because it's super refreshing and it's really nice and tart. It's really lime forward. So I think you guys are really gonna like this one if you want something that's gonna make you pucker a little bit. But it also has that sweetness to it. It's a tiny bit bubbly from the soda water. Now you can also use still water, but I've chosen sparkling in this case. We've got some simple syrup for sweetness, and then pretty much anything goes. I'm doing some tequila, but you can do green tea, vodka, bourbon, gin. Go crazy, because it's pretty hard to mess this one up. It's really, really nice. So hop on the couch and let's whip one up. Now to make your own limeade, we're gonna start off with some fresh lime juice. And we're gonna go pretty heavy-handed on this because we want that nice pucker from the lime. So we're gonna toss that in. We've got our simple syrup. I'm gonna do some tequila. You can do, green tea instead, or you can use like vodka, gin, bourbon. Pretty much anything goes. You can also use fresh lemon juice if you want like a lemonade. Also delicious. I'm a little hungover this morning, so I'm only going 1 ounce in this one. But you can add 1 or 2 ounces. You can add 1.5 ounces. Just play around. I'm just gonna top it off with some ice. Nice. And then a few splashes of soda water. You can use sparkling or still if you want, and then give it a stir. Top it off with some fresh mint for fun. Nice and fresh. Nice. Now that's a fresh AF limeade. Cheers. Woo! Buckertastic.